Hello and welcome to the Sanbrooke Adventures!
Hello.
In this video then, we're here at Ikea in Wednesbury to come and take you for a little bit of a shopping spree.
We've got a lot to get.
We have indeed. If you haven't already, make sure you check out the house tour that we filmed a few days ago. Because yeah, we showed you around our lovely new home. But as you saw in the video, it's very empty at the moment.
It is indeed. We've got so much to buy.
We have, and we've got a shopping list. In fact, we'll show you it in just a moment. And we thought we'll come to Ikea, have a bit of a look round. We thought it'd make a nice vlog as well, because Ikea, we've been coming here for years, even before we had a house.
Oh, we love it so much.
It's just a good fun little trip out to Ikea. And the thing is, with our trips to this shop, they go on for ages. We spend like 90 minutes, 2 hours
here.
here.
We do.
And that's before we even used to buy things. Like, we're actually buying stuff, Charlotte.
We're going to be here for hours.
I think so too. We've got 4 hours till it closes.
Yeah, we have.
Sounds like we're at a theme park, doesn't it? 4 hours till park close. We've got 4 hours till it shuts. Luckily, they've got the Ikea cafe as well, so we might have a little bit of a break in the middle.
Nice little drink halfway through.
Yeah, I think so. Might a little chocolate cake or something. But anyway, we've got the list. Let's go and get a trolley. And we're actually going to make some purchases at Ikea. How many of these things off the list we're going to get?
Oh, I'd like to hope that we can get a lot of the things.
I don't know. We need pretty much everything. Obviously, we're not getting everything here today, but we're just going to go with the flow and see what we like. Here we go then, all parked up here at Ikea.
Got the list ready.
Oh my God, look at all this
Some
on
of my
here.
spelling's really bad on this.
Charlotte's done a good job of this list there.
Yeah,
Oh my
there's a
God,
lot
we
on
got
there.
all sorts on there. Plug hole, we not got a plug hole.
No, we haven't.
All right, okay. Yeah, look at that list. Right, let's go and get a trolley. Let's go and get inside. I feel like such an adult over these past couple of days. Honestly, it's like we've grown up so much these past few days. Here we are coming to Ikea. Charlotte's got a list. I've got my tape measure. Got me 10-metre tape measure just here. Here we go. Look at this. But yeah, love Ikea. If you've never been before, I mean, I'm sure everyone's been Ikea, but if you haven't, there you go. This is what it looks like. They actually have the rooms set up like this, which is pretty cool. Look at these ghost lights over here.
Some seeds.
Look at those for the spooky season. What I do love in Ikea as well is how they set it up in like a realistic situation. Like you can see just here, they've got the paintbrush out and the paints, how it would actually look in someone's house. Not everything's always clean, perfect and tidy. It shows you how it is, which is really cool. Yeah, when you come here and looking around, it's stress-free. But when you're here actually buying things, it's a little bit like, oh, you know, what do we look at? What do we get?
What do you buy?
Yeah, measurements, yeah. Yeah, just take your order details, please. Oh, hello, you just caught me on my lovely fake laptop. There you go, look at that, it's made of cardboard. Literally, this is what they do in Ikea to make it look realistic. There's no real laptops or TVs. Literally, made of cardboard like that. Lovely. Right, let's go. Keep on measuring. Oh! Well, you saw me doing a bit of measuring up. We've decided on our TV stand, Just.
We have indeed.
Yes, that's £45, I think that is.
So we just write it down and we'll collect it at the end.
There you go, that's how Ikea works. It's good.
It's very good, yeah.
This is nice, isn't it, in here?
So spooky.
It is. I mean, we haven't got a massive dining room area, but if you had a separate room for a dining room, this would be really cool. Look at this. It's like a haunted attraction in here.
So on Halloween.
Oh, I know. Look at Charlotte just through here as well, through the foliage. Just there. But yeah, it's great though how they set it up like this, because you can go round, you see the prices, the numbers for things. You know, it's just really easy. Even the like rugs and stuff. There's so much to think about. Until you're a homeowner, you don't realise, do you?
You really don't realise. It's very overwhelming.
Yeah, every time we've come here to Ikea, we're just kind of, oh, I mean, look at this, look at this. When you're actually looking for stuff, you know, it's tough, isn't it? It is, yeah. That's the thing. And we wanted to document this and show you us setting up our home. That's what it's all about, really. But hey, look at this. Charlotte's got her own shop.
Can you take your order, please?
Yeah, just have a slice of this nice cake up here.
Of course, would you like a plate or anything?
Yeah, will do, yeah. I'm not going to eat it without a plate.
Get that on a tray for you. There's a nice drink here for you. Just get that sorted.
Oh my God, like a proper coffee shop.
So cute.
Pumpkin spice. Oh, look at this. Yeah, so it's not just for homeowners, it's for shop owners as well. There you go. these are fancy over here. Look at these LED wall lights. They're quite nice. See, obviously you've got the blocks all the way across, £85, and it's got 5 built-in lighting programs, so you can select the one you like they have here, or you can just have them cycling between the different ones. They're quite nice, aren't they? A little bit different. So many decisions to make when you're buying a house and getting everything. But yeah, like looking at beds and stuff here now. I mean, we hadn't come here with the intention of getting a bed today or a sofa.
More getting some inspiration, isn't it?
Yeah, getting some inspiration and getting a few bits that we want. Like we've got some cutlery in here now, haven't we?
We've got some knives and forks in there.
There we go, 24 times dragons. How can they fit 24 dragons in there?
I know, that's a lot.
But yeah, just having a bit of a look round. In terms of beds and stuff, we quite like these ones with the high headboard just here, so we'll kind of see. But yeah, these are nice. It says a high headboard, ideal for watching TV or reading in bed. But yeah, I don't know, it looks quite nice, that nice style. Right, we're having a look at wardrobes now, because as much as we've got one built-in wardrobe that I've kindly gave to Charlotte.
You've got some of it as well.
Oh, I don't know about that. I've not got much room. I need one.
Yeah.
So we're looking at this.
I really like this.
I mean, look at the storage in here, Charlotte. Give us a little demonstration.
Look at all this. Got like these glass fronts, and then you got a shoe one at the bottom.
Yeah, that looks great. It looks like ideal, this. I'm just thinking about storage. All them theme park tops that I've got would hang up nice in here. But obviously with IKEA, it all kind of comes like, you know, individual and combination price and all that kind of stuff. You got to do your reading, got to do your research. But luckily, we were very organised. Last night before coming out here, we got all the measurements.
All the measurements.
So obviously, you know, I've got my tape measure anyway, but it does tell you sizes and all that kind of stuff on here. But yeah, this is nice for everything, 312. But I really like that. It's got a nice design. Right, this is the section where I start to lose Charlotte now. She starts going AWOL, looking at different things. Like, what you do? Whoa, what's all this? Here we go.
All these marine creatures that I've put in.
You're not having them.
I am, they're lovely.
What? This is, oh, to be honest, I do quite like him. Oh, he's attacking you. Yeah.
It's lovely.
He's quite nice. Come on, let's get these out. There we go. Put them back. Yeah. Oh, to be fair, these are quite good. Oh, he went over the top then. There we go. Oh, it's only £15. To be honest, they're all right, them, aren't they? Oh, he's nice, isn't he? Little Joseph the octopus just here. Come on, back to the serious stuff now. Oh, look at the little monkey just down here. We've got a dinosaur out the top, but here we go. This is kids' bedrooms. I think we'll leave this one for now, shall we?
Yeah.
We've arrived over here at the Swedish restaurant and cafe. Oh, you get some absolute bargains in here. And talking of bargains, Charlotte signed up for something.
So I signed up for Ikea Family and I get free hot drinks Monday to Thursday.
That's good, isn't it?
It's very good, so I'm going to collect it now.
You've also noticed something about discounts.
Yeah, so sometimes it will say like Ikea Family price and you get a discount. Not by much, but it all adds up.
Yeah, definitely. It's a bit like the Tesco Club Card thing now, where things are cheaper if you've got one of them. Yeah. So there we go. Let's go and get some. And I might have a dime cake actually. £1.85. Bargain. Hey, here comes Charlotte with the goods just here. What's this little trolley you've had to bring it over on just here?
Swedish meatballs.
Ah, you've gone for the classic, the meatballs. Just the 4 there?
Never had them.
You never, what, you've never had IKEA meatballs? You're in for a treat, Charlotte.
Got me free drink that I've got to go and pick up.
That's good, that, yeah, just go and get it over there.
Okay.
There we are. Oh, look at that. It's only a small piece.
No,
these have got smaller these out. Look at that. There we go. That's one mouthful, that is for me. There you go, the classic meatballs.
Never had them.
Oh, they are delicious. Right then, so we've done the showroom, we've been to the cafe, and we're off into the market hall now. How are your meatballs?
Oh, they're so good.
I can't believe you've never had them before.
Never had them, it was lovely.
Even I like IKEA meatballs, and that's saying something. Here we go. Right, we've got a lot of stuff to get here. We've got a very empty trolley at the moment, but we've picked a nice wardrobe that we're going to go for. We've picked the TV stand, and then, yeah, we're going to get some nice bits for the kitchen now. Some glasses, all that kind of stuff. Lots of essentials that we need. Here we go. Trolley's starting to get a few more bits in there now. Got some window cleaning materials there. Got some nice candles as well. I love a good candles. Just quite romantic, homely candles. There we go, all these different trays. We've got some baking trays down there. I think we're going to do some baking at some point. Charlotte Louise Bakes will be coming out. Yeah.
Sean, should we get a bread bin?
Bread bin?
Yeah.
What, this?
Yeah.
What? Just put bread in there?
You just put your bread in the bread bin.
You don't just put it in the cupboard?
What? No, you get a bread bin for it.
Comment down below do you put your bread in a bread bin or just in the cupboard? Because we just go Tesco or wherever and buy it.
Put it in the bread bin.
Okay, fair enough. What have we got down here then?
We've got quite a bit now, to be honest. We've got like our pots and pans and
it's going to be doing a bit of cooking. That's what we're going to be seeing. Look at that. There we go. This is what you want to be seeing, guys. You don't want to see us in theme parks. You want to see us.
You want to see us
real life
cooking.
Stuff. That's what this channel's about. You want theme park stuff. Head over to theme park worldwide. But if you want a bread bin, we'll get one. But I'm a bit like, you know, with colour schemes and stuff.
Yeah, that's not the right bread bin for us.
Yeah, it's not. Bread bin. It's nice, but I want to think of kind of colour schemes.
Yeah.
Nice stainless steel and stuff.
Just not a wooden one.
You're going to see my artistic design. Have I ever told you guys that I actually got an A in art?
That's fantastic.
I know that this isn't really art, but you know what I mean? Design and that sort of thing. But I'll tell you what, there's something down here that I might get for you. Here we go, Charlotte. How about I bring you breakfast in bed on the morning?
That's lovely, that.
Be nice, wouldn't it? There you go, yeah. Little breakfast trays up here. Right then, we're on to trolley number 2 just here now. In Charlotte's collection. What you got in there? Some toilet brushes. There you go, one for the upstairs, one for the downstairs. Got some flannels. Oh, what a fail.
I saw these ones. What is that?
Double-sided. Like, what's the I said? Is it one for a number 1 and one for a number 2?
It's on IG. You don't need to buy for number 1.
That's what I thought it was. There you go. But yeah, what we got in here now? We've got some glasses in here. We've got a blind. So this is for the office / studio in the front, because we've actually got a blind that's already in. The old owner left it there, and we've been trying to find a blind for the smaller window that matches, and they must have come to Ikea. So yeah, we got that one just in there. It was about 20 quid, I think. So yeah, not too bad. Trolley number 2. Oh, Charlotte's at home now. What you found?
This is fantastic. Look at this little plastic goat.
Hey, and the best thing is we've got one of them in the bedroom window. Here we go then. So the trolleys are filling up now. How's yours looking there? How's the list doing?
Enough halfway, maybe.
Oh, that's all right. I'll take that. 2 trolleys. You got to think though, we don't have to get everything from Ikea. Like, we've got some good shops near home as well to go and get stuff like B&M bargains, the range, all the classics, home bargains. There you go. But yeah, you just let your trolley go on the escalator as we head down. We've got lighting down here. Luckily, with it being a new build, well, only a few years old, not got to worry about kitchen, bathroom, all the fittings, lighting, stuff like that. We've got to get some lampshades and stuff at some point, but yeah, not too bad really.
They're cool, aren't they?
I think we can fit one on the drive.
Yeah, maybe.
Just turn up all the towers in the room, park it on the car park. Oh, you get all the nice plants here as well, all artificial of course. But yeah, I've got something planned for the garden at a later date, so stay tuned for that one. We've got a nice little project that I've got planned. Here we go then. So we're out of the showroom now. We've made our way down here to the warehouse. So this is the point where all your numbers you've collected, you go and find them. So yeah, we're heading down to aisle 11 to get the TV stand. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be getting that wardrobe because not all of it's in stock. You have to go to each aisle and get the different bits. But yeah, they haven't got it all, sadly, which is a shame. Here we go then. So we've got the TV stand just at the bottom there of the trolley. Nice design so it slides underneath, but you can get the other ones as well. And here we go, look at all this.
Got loads.
Yeah, I think we got quite a bit there, haven't we really? Like, got quite a lot ticked off the list. Just having a look now in what used to be known as Bargain Corner, but it's actually the circular hub now here. So I'll have a little look in here. Got some tables and stuff. Basically, this is kind of ex-display or things that are a little bit damaged. And you can get these and take them away straight away. And a lot of the stuff's already built up. So if you've got a van, it's ideal. So this gives you a bit of an idea on the price discounts in here. So normally they're 179, this is 129, so a 28% discount, and that's just because it's from the showroom. So there you go, there's nothing really wrong with it. Might be a couple of little scratches on the bottom, but yeah, not too bad at all. Well, there we go, it's come to the end of our Ikea trip. Our first trip actually buying stuff from here. We got a good selection though, got some bags here for 75p. There we go, fantastic. Right, we'll pay for it, see how much it all is, then we'll wrap up the vlog. Well, we've been in Ikea for 3 hours. What a long
can't
trip.
believe we've been in there that long.
Oh, I know, you got to think though, when we come to Ikea normally, before we had a house to buy stuff and just walking round, we was in there like 2 hours.
Whereas now we're buying stuff, we're just in there ages.
Yeah, it's like 9:15, we got here at 6. But you know what, we're all loaded up in the car. We've got some good things today. We've not got as much furniture I was hoping for, but at least we've got the TV stand.
Exactly, the furniture, they just didn't sort of have all of it in stock.
Yeah, it's weird because it was like 5 out of 8 items and stuff for the wardrobe.
With the wardrobes, they don't just come all together. You've got to go and pick each piece separately, and some of them wasn't in stock.
Yeah, I mean, that's Ikea and that's how it's set up. But yeah, when everything's not in stock, I really wanted that and my heart's set on it. But there's other places to do wardrobes. You know, there's other trips to Ikea coming up, you know. But we got the TV stand. Along with that, things for the bathroom, items for the kitchen. I just kind of said to Shark, get what you need for the kitchen.
I'm just there, like, grabbing stuff in the trolley.
I don't have a clue when it comes to stuff like that. But there's things that, you know, when you're just at home, you didn't realise you need. And then when you're, you know, independent in a house,
like
you think,
just small little bits.
Yeah, like just little things, like all your saucepans and tea towels.
You don't realise.
Oh, everything. The list goes on. But we've probably covered about half of that list, would you say?
I'd say so, yeah.
Yes, that's not too bad. There we go. We got all of our items, 2 trolley fulls, and we're all stocked up in the car.
We are
and
indeed.
yeah, we're all ready to go. But yeah, it's been a great evening, something a little bit different. And obviously, we're not really used to filming these sort of vlogs. We're normally at theme parks and attractions, so it's been nice doing something a little bit different.
It has indeed.
There we go. Thank you very much for watching, and have your own adventures. Bye.